please wait a moment. See this video. This video in Gaza. When you see this war in Gaza and Israel, what happened this fight? Jesus is said, Jesus is return again, because Jesus have a plan to stop this war, because the many people in the war, many people in Earth is fighting, is the war. Why many people his battles, his fighting, his fight? Jesus is telling the people, do not cry, do not weep. Jesus is ready back again. Jesus is returning again. Stop everything in earth, every battles, every fight, every war. Jesus is back again, stopping everything. Yes, I talking about the return of Jesus, because Jesus cannot lie. When you read the book of Daniel chapter 11, book of Daniel chapter 12 verse 1, the Bible says Jesus is back again, quickly stopping everything. Revelation chapter 20, the Bible talking about, the Bible says Jesus is returning again, stopping every war, every fight. Yes, the Bible talking about in Matthew chapter 24, Bible talking about to the rock chapter 21. Yes, Jesus is back again. Jesus is returning again. Year 2031. Year 2031, Jesus is returning again, stopping everything. Because the many people is have hungry. Many people is need water. Many people is need peace. Is need chance. Many people is need medicine. Many people is need food. Jesus is back again. Jesus is returning again.